How to find Uptwin settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Uptwin settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here, apps, and here you will find Uptwin, or you can just type here Uptwin, and that's it. And here we'll find Uptwin settings. And if you want to enable any Uptwin here, you can just click on it, and that's it. And that's how to find Uptwin settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.